Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sravya. If you're watching this video for the first time, this is my channel, Sravya's channel, where I do video regarding beauty, fashion, lifestyle, cooking and whatever comes on my mind. Today is the video of a facial kit slash review kind of a video where I have bought a product which we can do gold facial at home itself. So if you want to know what product is it and how to use them, please keep on watching. Before we're heading to the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell besides that, and please comment and like this video also. So now let's start with the video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might be knowing that I was in Visakhapatnam. I went to my mom's place. There I found this interesting gold facial kits. It's from Nature's Essential Aromathermic Beauty Solution. Nature's Mini Gold Kit glows like a golden. It's written here. I have already used this twice, this kit. This is the third packet I'm using it. I like this facial kit very much. It gives a instant glow to your face, and it's very affordable side. Why to go to parlor and waste so much money on facial kits? And also I think instead of going to parlor and wasting so much money, this is the good solution for you guys to not to go for the parlor. This pack retails for 285 rupees, but it's an offer price. I got 225 rupees. In this pack there is a special combo offer. It's given a gold kit, gold eliminator face wash also. Now I'm going to open it and show how it is inside. These are the 4 products for the facial, and this is the one combo pack. It's given here. Nature's Essential Gold Illumination Skin Face Wash. It's of 60 ml of product, and this comes free in the product. Now coming back to the facial process, it has 4 tubes. With in that it's given the cleansing scrub as the first solution. This is also for 12 grams. It's given in this tube. Next process is, second is massaging cream, then third is massaging gel, and fourth is the gold pack. So now I'm going to do this process one by one in this video right now, so that you people know what comes first and how to do it. I'm not a professional salon person to do the perfect technique on the facials. I just do how I know it, so I might be wrong how I'm doing a facial kit also. So now let's start with the video. So first comes the cleaning scrub. It's the tube. I'm taking very little amount on this, and I'm going to scrub it on me. Before scrubbing it, I'm going to wet my face so that the scrub goes properly on my face all over. Now starts with the scrubbing. I'm just rubbing on between my palms so that it gets warms up and scrubs very nicely on my face. Scrub it very nicely, at least for 2 minutes or something. If you have very sensitive skin, don't scrub it more than for a minute. I'm scrubbing in the circular motions all over my face to get rid of all the dirt and all on my tan and all on my face. I can feel the scrub particles on my face. It's pretty good. It's not so harsh and not so light. It definitely removes the dirt from your face. Please avoid your eye area so that you don't get any irritations or allergy or some kind of infections to your eyes. Once you have done with your scrubbing, you can wash the face. You can wash it, or you can take a wet towel and wipe it off everything. So I'm taking a wet towel right now, a soft towel, and wiping off everything. After using the scrub itself only, I can see lots of major clean face, and it's a very looking a freshing face now. Next comes the massaging cream. We need to take a generous amount on your hand and massage the cream all over your face. So let's start with that process. Same process, warming up between my fingers and just massaging all over my face with this cream. Stage, if you're having a whiteheads or blackheads on your face and you want to get rid of that, then you can steam your face with a steamer and remove your whiteheads and blackheads with the tool. I don't have any blackheads and whiteheads on our face, so I'm going to process with the next step later on. Once you have done with the process, you have to wash your face or clean with a cotton. So I'm doing the same process. I'm taking a wet cloth and wiping it off everything. Now comes the massaging gel. It's a massaging gel in this tube. Now we are going to take the gel and apply all over the face. The product really smells very good. It's not so strong, and it's not so harsh on your skin also. It's a very mild smell and very nicely smelled. Any person can use this because it's not smelling so harsh also. Massage this gel on your face for 4 to 5 minutes. Avoid your eye area, as I'm telling you from the starting of the video. Once you have done massaging your skin, please repeat the same process, that clean your face with your wet cotton or wash your face. I'm using the towel and cleaning the face here. Okay, now comes the last process of this facial. It's a pack, it's gold pack. Take a generous amount and apply all over your face in a thin layer. I'm using my hands to apply it. You can use your brush or your hand, whatever feels. Now it's almost 10 to 15 minutes and my pack is already dried pretty much. So I'm going to wet my hands and massage it all over my face with my hands. Cleaning my face, you can see the glow, and on my face it's pretty smoothing. My face is very smooth and I can feel it's very fresh. I felt very pretty good after using this product. Please give a trial once. Instead of spending in salon 1000 rupees or 1500, 2000 rupees, it's worth the money to try to 225 rupees or more. If you take normal price also, it's around 300. It's way pretty much good than the salon prices. You can give a trial and it's not so messy. It's not messy at all, and you can try it at home also. Please try it and give the comments in the below. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, then hit that like button and comment below after using this product, and please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon besides. That's all for today's video. Bye.